Rosie and Lisa's lady managers Jane and Alice protecting themselves from the rain while watching over Blackpink. They look so cute though. Blackpink team is cute from idol to manager. The 4 team members burned their hearts on the stage with the fans, so the managers also did their best, standing under the rain, covering the raincoats for each other to record the moments of 4 of us on the stage. Blackpink performing in the heavy rain during their sold-out show at MetLife Stadium. This is Blackpink. No matter what happens, they will never ever leave their fans. They will do everything and anything just to make Blinks happy. According to someone who went to Blackpink concert today, their staff wanted them to stop for safety, but they braced through it because they didn't want Blinks getting soaked in the rain alone.